Hello, my little friends. I think you are safe and sound. Good noon to you all. You remember that I was taking the class of the position of adverbs in a sentence and the classification of adverbs. I think you have read well and understood well. Today, we have to move forward and we have to check if we have understood it clearly or not. So, my loving ones, you must get yourself ready by, of course, giving your presence by writing your names, and you must do it in 1 or 2 minutes. Thank you. Students, you can easily see that on this whiteboard on the left hand side there are 10 sentences for you, and these sentences uh, are actually incorrect sentences. You have to correct them by using proper adverb, and on the right hand side you will have 12 sentences and the adverbs are given in the bracket at the end of the sentences. You have to position the adverbs according to your sense. So let us start. First, do the 10 sentences at your left hand side. First, see the sentences. Yes, open your copy and write them fast. Then let us answer one by one. Again, well is considered to be an adverb. It modifies the verb plays. It cannot be good because adjective cannot modify a verb. So well would be the answer. And let us answer the second one. Before positive degree and adjective, very is commonly used. Before positive degree and adjective, very is commonly used, and before comparative degree and past participle, much is generally used. So let us go for the third sentence and the fourth one. Please answer. You have gone mad. Simply, you have gone mad. Sentence carefully and angrily. Actually, I have told you to determine the position of those adverbs. Actually, both carefully and angrily are adverbs of manners. The adverbs of manner can be used, can be placed, can be positioned before the verb or at the end of the sentence. I repeat, adverb of manners like carefully, angrily can be placed before the main verb and at the end of the sentence. So the answers, they carefully solved it, it is correct. It is also correct, they solved it carefully. Again, he angrily left the class is correct. He left the class angrily, it is also correct. Am I understood? First of all, you have made a mistake by classifying it. It should be an adverb of time and frequency. Then you have to use the adverb between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. That means the auxiliary verb is here have and the main verb is understood. So put the adverb between them. So the answer would be what is the question? You have never understood me. Okay. Students, at the same time, I am bidding you goodbye. But before going out, I must tell you, you must do the rest of the sentences logically, following the guidelines of the position of adverbs given to you. You must not use them in random, sorry, at random. You must not use them at random. You must not do it whimsically. You must not do it freely, but do it logically according to the guidelines which I have already given to you. Thank you so much.